Now, this is when the incident happens. I go onto the roundabout, perfectly fine. I was the first one in the line at the traffic lights to begin with, as seen by the dashcam clip. And I go on, I was going fine, and then I see the light in front of me is amber. But I didn't see, because of the dim lights, the fact that they're very dim, like myself, I didn't see when it changed from red to amber. Sorry, I mean green to amber. So I didn't know how much was left of the light before it went red. Don't really want to risk getting in a crash or being caught. They have a lot of red light cameras in Enfield, so it's not really worth the risk, to be honest. So I do the obvious thing and stop. I stop. With my brake pedal, you know, normal, I stop. As soon as my car has stopped, so you know when, like, at least when I do it, when I'm braking, you brake kind of harsh, not really harsh, but you brake down, you depress the pedal, and then when you've stopped, or at least what I like to do to make it smooth, chauffeur's braking, you know what I'm saying, is when you've stopped, you obviously lift off the pedal a bit, but you keep your foot on the brake, just not as firm because you're not stopping it, you're just keeping it still. If you drive, you should know what I'm on about. And as I was doing this, I get shunted from behind. I get rear-ended. And not in the sexual manner. Now,